Hi guys, we are the group of Best Orienteering, a grade 12 student, and today we are going to show you how it is important skills in orienteering because it can help speed up your orienteering, so the map gives you a lot of information.
However, not all of it is going to be important for finding the control. What you need to do is you find the key features in the map that will be help you find the control faster and safer.